Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll explore some exciting ways to customize your Scotch eggs, from different coatings to adding extra flavors. Let's dive right in. Fresh versus processed breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs make the crispy shell that defines a great Scotch egg, but not all crumbs are created equal. Fresh breadcrumbs, made from stale bread, give a lighter, airier crunch. They're ideal if you want a delicate texture. Pulse day-old bread in a food processor until fine, but not powdery. Store-bought breadcrumbs, especially Panko, deliver a heavier crunch and hold up better during frying. They're convenient and consistent, though slightly denser. For extra crispiness, try a double coating. Roll the sausage-wrapped egg in flour first, then egg wash, then breadcrumbs. Some recipes even mix crushed cornflakes into the crumbs for added texture. Ingredient checklist for classic Scotch eggs. Large eggs, plus extra for egg wash, sausage meat, pork, beef, or lamb, breadcrumbs, fresh or Panko or all-purpose flour, for coatings, salt and black pepper, to taste, mustard or Worcestershire sauce, optional. Customization ideas. Add grated cheddar to the sausage for a cheesy twist. Mix smoked paprika or cayenne into the breadcrumbs for heat. Swap regular eggs for quail eggs to make bite-sized versions. The beauty of Scotch eggs is how forgiving they are. Once you've got the basics down, playing with flavors is half the fun. Step-by-step Scotch egg recipe. Making Scotch eggs at home is simpler than you think. The key is layering flavors and textures, starting with the eggs, wrapping them in juicy sausage, and frying to a crisp golden finish. Follow these steps to nail every part of the process. Boiling the eggs to perfection. Getting the eggs right sets the foundation for great Scotch eggs. You want a yolk that's firm but still creamy, not chalky. Start with room temperature eggs. Cold eggs straight from the fridge can crack in boiling water. Let them sit out for 10 to 15 minutes first. Gently lower the eggs into boiling water. Use a slotted spoon to avoid dropping them in, which can cause cracks. Cook for exactly 6 to 7 minutes for a soft center or 9 to 10 for a firmer yolk. Set a timer. Overcooked eggs turn rubbery. Transfer to an ice bath immediately after boiling. This stops the cooking and makes peeling easier. Let them cool for at least 10 minutes. Peel carefully under running water. The water helps loosen the shell without tearing the egg whites. Tip: older eggs peel more cleanly than fresh ones. If your eggs are very fresh, add a teaspoon of baking soda to the boiling water to help loosen the shells. Wrapping the eggs in sausage meat. The sausage layer should hug the egg snugly without gaps. Uneven wrapping leads to cracks during frying. Divide the sausage meat into equal portions. For large eggs, about 60 grams per egg works well. Roll each portion into a ball, then flatten it into a 1/4 inch thick patty in your palm. Place the peeled egg in the center. Gently fold the sausage around the egg, smoothing seams with damp fingers to prevent cracks. Pinch the edges together and roll lightly between your palms to seal. Aim for an even layer. Thin spots can split open when frying. Troubleshooting. If the meat sticks to your hands, wet them with cold water or a bit of oil. Chilling the wrapped eggs for 15 minutes before coating helps them hold their shape. Coating and frying techniques. A crisp, golden crust is what makes Scotch eggs irresistible. The trick is sealing in moisture without overcooking the egg. Set up a breading station. Flour seasoned with salt and pepper. Beaten egg wash. Breadcrumbs. Panko works best for extra crunch. Roll each sausage-wrapped egg in flour, tapping off excess. This helps the egg wash stick. Dip in egg wash, letting any drips fall off. Coat thoroughly in breadcrumbs, pressing lightly so they adhere. For extra crispiness, Repeat the egg wash and breadcrumb steps for a double layer. Heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Use a deep fryer or a heavy pot with enough oil to fully submerge the eggs. Too cool, and they'll absorb oil. Too hot, and the coating burns before the meat cooks. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes, turning occasionally, until deep golden brown. Drain on a wire rack to keep them crispy. Frying alternatives. For a lighter version, bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 25 minutes, turning halfway. They won't be as crispy but still delicious. Pro tip. Test the oil with a breadcrumb. If it sizzles immediately, it's ready. If the oil smokes, it's too hot. Let it cool slightly before frying. Now, all that's left is slicing into that crunchy shell to reveal the creamy yolk inside. Serve warm with mustard or hot sauce for the full experience. Tips and tricks for perfect Scotch eggs. Getting Scotch eggs right comes down to nailing the details. Small tweaks and technique make the difference between good and great. Here's how to avoid common pitfalls and elevate your results. Achieving a crispy golden crust. The crunch of a Scotch egg's coating should be shatteringly crisp, not greasy or soggy. Oil temperature matters. Use a thermometer to keep it steady at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Too low, and the eggs soak up oil. Too high, the outside burns before the sausage cooks. Fry in small batches. Crowding the pot drops the oil temperature fast, leading to uneven cooking. 2 eggs at a time in a standard Dutch oven works best. Drain on a wire rack, not paper towels. This keeps air circulating around the eggs so steam doesn't soften the crust. A sprinkle of flaky salt while they're hot boosts flavor. For extra crispiness, try a double coating. After the first layer of breadcrumbs, dip the eggs briefly back into the egg wash, then roll in crumbs again. Serving suggestions and variations. Scotch eggs don't need much to shine, but the right accompaniments or creative twists can make them unforgettable. Classic pairings. English mustard or wholegrain mustard for tangy heat. Pickles or chutney, Branston or mango, to cut through richness. A simple arugula salad with lemon vinaigrette balances the heaviness. Flavor twists to try. Mix grated sharp cheddar or crumbled Stilton into the sausage meat. Add smoked paprika, cayenne, or chopped fresh herbs like sage to the breadcrumbs. Swap pork sausage for spicy chorizo or merguez for a bolder taste. For a lighter version, skip frying. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 25 minutes, brushing with oil halfway for color. The texture won't be as crisp, but it's a solid alternative. Pro tip. Scotch eggs taste best warm but not piping hot. Let them rest 5 minutes after frying so the yolk stays creamy instead of overcooking from residual heat. Little details, like chilling the wrapped eggs before frying or using Panko for crunch, turn a good Scotch egg into a flawless one. Experiment with flavors, but master the basics first. Now, all that's left is to try it yourself. Homemade Scotch eggs deliver something store-bought versions can't match. A crisp golden shell, juicy sausage, and a perfectly cooked egg center that's rich without being greasy. Once you master the basics, boiling the eggs just right, wrapping them snugly in seasoned meat, and frying at the ideal temperature, you'll see why this pub classic has endured for centuries. The best part. This recipe adapts to your tastes. Swap the sausage, tweak the spices, or try baking for a lighter version. Every bite should be your own. Give this recipe a try and share your results in the comments. Did you stick with tradition or put your own spin on it? We'd love to hear how your Scotch eggs turned out in your video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.